In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get voice call avatars in Discord Overlay. If you want to see who's speaking while you play, without tabbing out, Discord's in-game overlay has a voice widget that places caller avatars right on top of your game. We'll set it up in just a moment, and I'll point out a few options so you can make it as compact or as detailed as you like. Start inside the Discord desktop app. Look to the bottom left corner of the window, next to your avatar and audio controls. Click the small gear icon to open user settings. In the left-hand sidebar, find and select Game Overlay. On the Game Overlay page, scroll to the section labeled Voice Widget. Everything we need is right here. First, turn the voice widget on. With this enabled, Discord will show avatars for people in your current voice call over your game, so you can immediately tell who's talking. If you ever want a distraction-free screen, you can come back here and switch it off. Next, choose a size for the widget. Smaller sizes keep the overlay subtle. Larger sizes are easier to read at a glance. Pick whatever strikes the best balance for your display and viewing distance. You'll also see an option to show or hide display names. Turning names on adds the username beneath each avatar, which is handy when you're learning new voices. Turning them off keeps the overlay cleaner and saves space. There's a control to show or hide users within the widget, giving you either a minimal presence or an always visible list, depending on your preference. Finally, set the maximum number of users shown. This caps how many avatars can appear at once, which is especially useful in busy voice channels. If more people are on the call than your limit, the widget will only display up to that number. With those settings in place, hop into a voice call and launch your game. As you play, you'll see the avatars appear according to the options you chose, making it effortless to track who's speaking and keep team communication smooth. A quick note: overlays can behave differently from game to game. Some titles restrict overlays, and certain full-screen modes or capture tools may interfere. If the widget doesn't appear, it's often related to the game's display mode or other software, not your Discord settings. That's all. Enjoy your game with clear, at-a-glance voice indicators, and adjust these options anytime to match what you're playing and how you like your screen to look.